Imagine building a YouTube channel without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without spending hundreds of hours learning complex editing software. A few years ago, that would have sounded impossible. But today, artificial intelligence has completely changed the way content is created online. Right now, there are creators running entire YouTube channels using automated workflows powered by AI. Some of these channels publish videos every day. Some of them have millions of views, and many of them generate thousands of dollars every month. The most surprising part? Most viewers have absolutely no idea that the content was created using AI tools. No camera, no microphone, no studio, just a smart workflow and the right tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. You'll learn the full process used by many faceless YouTube creators today, including how to choose a profitable niche, how to generate engaging scripts with AI, how to create realistic voiceovers, how to generate visuals automatically, how to edit videos quickly, and how to optimize them so YouTube actually recommends them. Everything in this tutorial uses free tools so anyone can start. Even if you have zero experience creating videos, by the end of this guide, you'll understand how a single person can run an entire YouTube channel using AI. And if you stay until the end, I'll also show you a simple strategy that can help new channels grow much faster than most beginners expect. Let's start with the most important decision you'll make: choosing the right niche. Part 1. Choosing a profitable niche. Before you create your first video, you need to answer one simple but extremely important question. What will your channel actually be about? Many beginners skip this step and simply create random videos about topics they find interesting. But successful YouTube channels rarely work that way. The channels that grow consistently usually focus on niches that have 3 key characteristics. First, high audience interest. This means there are already millions of people watching content about that topic. Second, evergreen content. Evergreen content stays relevant for months or even years. Unlike trends, evergreen videos continue generating views long after they are published. And third, strong monetization potential. Some topics attract advertisers that pay much more than others. For example, finance, technology, and software typically have higher advertising rates than entertainment or memes. Some of the most successful niches for faceless YouTube channels include technology and artificial intelligence, finance and investing, productivity and self-improvement, history and documentaries, mystery and storytelling, space exploration, gaming analysis, educational, explicable content. These niches work particularly well because they rely more on information and storytelling than personality, which makes them perfect for faceless content. Once you choose your niche, the next step is building a recognizable channel identity. Part 2. Creating your channel brand. Your channel branding is the first impression viewers will have, and first impressions matter more than most people realize. A memorable channel name makes it easier for viewers to remember you. It also makes your content feel more professional. One easy way to generate ideas is using You can ask ChatGPT something like, generate 10 unique YouTube channel names for a faceless channel about artificial intelligence. Make them memorable, simple, and easy to spell. From there, you can quickly generate dozens of ideas. The best channel names usually have a few characteristics in common. They are short, they are easy to pronounce, they are easy to remember, and they relate clearly to the niche of the channel. Once you choose a name, you'll also need 3 visual elements: a logo, a banner, and a short channel description. These elements help make your channel look professional from day one. Today, AI image generators can create logos and banners in seconds. You simply describe the style you want, and the AI generates multiple options. Even completely new creators can produce designs that look like they were made by professional designers. With your channel identity ready, we can now move to the most important element of your video: the script. Part 3. Writing engaging scripts with AI. The script is the foundation of your entire video. If the script is boring, the video will fail. No editing trick can fix a weak script. This is why successful YouTube videos are usually built around strong storytelling. And this is what AI can save an incredible amount of time. Using ChatGPT, you can generate structured video scripts in seconds. For example, you could use a prompt like this: write a YouTube script about the future of artificial intelligence. Make it engaging and conversational. Include a strong hook, clear sections, interesting insights, and a compelling ending. AI will generate a complete structure that you can then refine. But there is one element that matters more than anything else: the hook. The hook is the first few seconds of the video. It determines whether the viewer continues watching or clicks away. A good hook creates curiosity. For example, most people don't realize that artificial intelligence is already replacing entire industries. Statements like this create a psychological gap. The viewer wants to know more. Curiosity drives attention. Attention drives watch time, and watch time is one of the most important signals for YouTube's algorithm. Once your script is finished, the next step is turning it into narration. Part 4, generating human-like voiceovers. Not long ago, AI voices sounded robotic and unnatural, but today they are incredibly realistic. Modern text-to-speech systems can generate voices that sound almost indistinguishable from real human narration. One of the most popular platforms for this is 11 Labs. The process is surprisingly simple. You paste your script into the editor, choose a voice style, and generate the narration. Within seconds, you have a professional-sounding voiceover. Some platforms even allow voice cloning. That means you can upload a short recording of your own voice. The AI then creates a digital version of your voice that can read any script automatically. This allows creators to produce videos at scale without recording audio every time. Once the narration is ready, we move to the visual side of the video. Part 5, creating visuals with AI. Visuals are extremely important for keeping viewers engaged. Faceless YouTube videos rely heavily on images, animations, and footage to illustrate the story. Without visuals, the video quickly becomes boring. AI image generators make this process extremely easy. You can ask AI to generate cinematic prompts for your topic. For example, create cinematic image prompts for a YouTube video about the future of AI technology. The AI will generate descriptions of scenes. You then use those prompts in an image generator. Most faceless videos use between 10 and 20 images per video. Each image represents a different moment in the script. The key is visual variety. Changing the visual every few seconds keeps the viewer engaged. It prevents the video from feeling static. At this point, we now have 3 elements ready: the script, the voiceover, and the visuals. Now it's time to assemble everything. Part 6, editing your video. Editing might sound complicated, but modern tools have made it incredibly simple. One of the most beginner-friendly platforms available today is CapCut includes several AI features that simplify the editing process. Here's a simple workflow. First, create a new project, then import your voiceover file. After that, add your generated images above the audio track. Match the images with the sections of the script. Try to change the visual every 3 to 5 seconds. This pacing keeps the video dynamic and engaging. Next, add background music. Music helps create atmosphere and makes the video feel more professional. Just make sure the music stays subtle so it doesn't overpower the narration. Another powerful feature is automatic captions. Captions increase engagement because many viewers watch videos with the sound turned off. Finally, review your audio levels. The narration should always be clear and easy to understand. Once everything looks good, export the video in full HD. Now we move to one of the most underestimated growth factors on YouTube: your thumbnail. Part 7, thumbnails that get clicks. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see. Before they watch your video, before they read the description, they see the thumbnail, which means the thumbnail determines whether someone clicks or scrolls past. Even the best videos will fail if nobody clicks on them. Great thumbnails usually have 3 characteristics: strong contrast, a clear focal point, and very little text. In fact, many successful thumbnails use only 2 or 3 words. Short phrases create curiosity. Examples could be: AI made this, the AI secret, passive AI income. Bright colors and strong contrast help thumbnails stand out in the feed. Over time, testing different thumbnail styles can dramatically improve your click-through rate. And that brings us to the final piece of the puzzle: optimization. Part 8, YouTube, SEO. YouTube's algorithm needs to understand what your video is about. This is where basic search optimization helps. Start with a clear title that includes your main keyword. For example, how to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Then write a description explaining what viewers will learn. You can also include related keywords naturally within the description. Adding tags related to your topic can also help YouTube categorize your content. SEO alone will not make a video go viral, but it helps the algorithm show your video to the right audience. And when the right audience finds your video, the chances of strong watch time increase significantly. Final message: the future of content creation. We are entering a completely new era of content creation. Artificial intelligence is transforming how videos are produced. What once required an entire team of writers, editors, and designers can now be done by a single person using the right tools. And the creators who learn these systems early will have a huge advantage. Because while many people are still thinking about starting a YouTube channel, others are already building automated content systems. If you found this guide helpful and want to learn more about AI tools, automation, and digital opportunities, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because here we explore the technologies that are shaping the future of online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.